Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Nagalakshmi. Today I am going to share you OnePlus Nord 2T 5G unboxing. Recently I purchased OnePlus Nord 2T from Amazon. OnePlus Nord 2T 5G, a premium phone that offers value for money. When the box is open, you can see some cards and one mobile case. The cards are OnePlus membership card, safety information, and quick start guide. OnePlus Nord 2T 5G comes with a triple camera setup of 50 megapixel with Sony IMX766 flagship sensor and OIS. The camera also works well in low light and nightscape mode. The 32MP front camera with Sony IMX615 would probably make you take selfies. Coming to the battery and charging, this gives you 4500 mAh with 80 watts SuperVOOC. And the screen size is 6.43 inches, display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Resolution is 2400 by 1080 pixels. Display features are ambient display, AI color enhancement and dark mode. Oxygen OS based on Android 12. Processor is MediaTek Dimensity 1300 and in-display fingerprint sensor. And the phone comes with two variants, Grey Shadow and Jade Fog. I chose Grey Shadow. Finally, what is in the box? They give adapter, phone case, SIM tray, ejector, USB cable. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.